Hello, how are you today? I hope you all are well. I arrive with a new video and that is Rajshahi University. So do not wasting time, let's go to the video. The Rajshahi University, also known as University of Rajshahi or RU, its total area is 753 acres. It is the second oldest university of Bangladesh. The university's 60 departments are organized into 10 faculties. It established on 6 July 1953. A line passes through the campus and it has a dedicated station named the University Station. It is near the Shohid Sorwardi Hall on the southern border of the campus. There is an internal bazaar nearby for the students only, called the Station Bazaar. There are 4 gates of the university, 3 beginning upon the Dhaka Rajshahi highway. These 3 access to the western part of the campus, mainly playgrounds and residential areas. Binodpur gate is in the left side of main gate. The main gate looks cool among of these 3 gates. Kajla gate is in the right side of main gate. Most of the people use main gate and Kajla gate for access into the university from the direction of main city of Rajshahi. The 4th gate is in the other side near to the agricultural and fine arts building. As we know that every university contains at least one school, it is that one which is near to the Kajla gate. Beside of this school, there is a playground, and this playground also used for picnic purposes. There is a central park of the university near the Shohid Minar complex. It is a small park providing a very good environment and a place for spending leisure time of the students and residents of the campus. There are 2 big lakes inside the campus. One is behind the Shohid Shamsujjoha Hall, known as Sorobar, and another is behind the female hostel, known as a part of Jungle Genome Project. Apart from this, there are nearly 50 ponds around the campus. There is a large bird sanctuary inside the campus called the Jungle Genome Project. It is an ecological project of the Geology Department and it has natural plantations and lakes inside it. Paris Road is a street in the campus which is often considered the signature of the Rajshahi University Campus. It starts from the adjoining point of Kajla Gate Road, Porsimpara Road, and keeps going up to the Shamsujjoha Square. Then from the Rajshahi Square. It goes is part of the University Park. And Shohid Minar Complex ends at the gate of Sher Bangla Hall. There are a considerable number of murals on the campus. The Shohid Minar complex holds two murals, one on the background wall of the open theatre stage and another on the background wall of Shohid Minar's platform. A mural near the Golden Jewelry Tower is a masterpiece artifact made of steel, depreciating struggle of men and women. There is also a mural of Rajshahi University website link. There is a swimming pool with stand for spectators and gymnasium and indoor stadium, 4 football grounds, 4 tennis court, 2 basketball court and sport court. The Rajshahi University Stadium can handle about 30,000 people. In the meantime, I tried to take a look on a department. For that, I entered into a department and it is so attractive to eyesight. Overall, Rajshahi University has a natural beauty. Throughout the day, different ages people come here for different reasons. In the morning, people come for walk on Paris Road. At noon, people spend time on the tree, and in the afternoon, people come for photoshoot or for group study purposes. I will provide some photo of Rajshahi University on my Facebook page, Telegram page. You can collect that. For that you need to check my description. It will be better to search on Telegram by Rajshahi University. After that, we are going to another part of Rajshahi University Campus, which is the another site of rail line. It is Department of Agriculture and Fine Arts. These two departments hold this area. They made a number of designs to decorate this area. Beside all of this, many cultural programs takes place on this campus. There is no occasion which is not celebrated by this campus. So if you are want to join with them, you can come here in the occasion time. It is open for all. You just need to maintain quietness. The university has 18 residential halls for students. Among of them, 6 for women and 11 for men, and one international dormitory. The halls are named after permanent Bangladeshi historical and cultural figures, some of them from Rajshahi. The housing system can accommodate more than 10,000 students. If you are new in my channel, you can subscribe my channel, and to support me, like, share and comment on my video. On the other side, near to the Binodpur gate, there is a historical place of Rajshahi University named Boddhabhumi. It is surrounding with fields, ponds and a banyan tree. People come here to spend relaxed time. I am about to end my video, so no more today. I will arrive with another new video. Till then, stay with us. Thank you.